Profit-driven design is an inspiring approach that intertwines aesthetics with sustainability, revealing the creative potential of crafting minimalist shelving from reclaimed wood. As we embark on this journey, we unlock the ability to transform discarded timber into elegant and functional pieces that resonate with contemporary sensibilities while adhering to environmental stewardship principles. By focusing on maximizing aesthetic appeal and structural integrity while minimizing material waste, this project exemplifies how designers can create beautiful home decor solutions that not only serve consumers, but also contribute positively to the planet. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of minimalist shelving from reclaimed wood for smart design ideas that turn scrap into profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The foundation of this process begins with sourcing reclaimed wood, a resource rich with history and character that brings unique charm and texture to any design. Unlike traditional lumber, reclaimed wood comes with its own narrative, often showcasing a striking patina, interesting grain patterns, and imperfections that are often celebrated in minimalist design. These qualities not only enhance the visual appeal of the finished product, but also connect consumers to a more sustainable way of living. By selecting reclaimed wood, designers can reduce waste, decrease demand for new lumber, and counteract the depletion of forests, making every shelf not just a storage solution, but a statement about responsible consumption and craftsmanship. Once the reclaimed wood is obtained, the next phase revolves around thoughtful preparation and design. Each piece of wood warrants inspection, allowing craftsmen to identify the best sections that will serve as structural components in the shelving units. The inherent imperfections in reclaimed wood can inform the design decisions. Knots and grain variations can be arranged strategically to create visual interest while ensuring durability. This careful selection process is crucial, as it sets the stage for a design that is both attractive and capable of withstanding the rigors of everyday use. Utilizing minimalistic aesthetics, the shelving can be designed with clean lines and simple structures that emphasize the natural beauty of the wood while avoiding unnecessary embellishments. This approach aligns perfectly with the principles of minimalist design, which focuses on functionality, simplicity, and the elimination of excess. In crafting minimalist shelving, structural integrity is paramount. The joining techniques employed must be robust enough to ensure that the shelves can hold weight while maintaining a sleek, seamless appearance. Techniques such as pocket hole joinery or traditional mortise and tenon joints provide the strength necessary for durable shelving, and they can be executed in a way that remains hidden from view, preserving the clean lines that are quintessential to minimalist design. By investing time in mastering these techniques, artisans elevate the quality of their work, creating pieces that will not only be beautiful, but also functional and long-lasting. This dedication to craftsmanship is instrumental in establishing a product that justifies its price point, appealing to consumers who increasingly seek value in sustainability. Sanding and finishing the wood play critical roles in the final product's appeal and longevity. Careful sanding smoothens the surfaces while highlighting the unique textures and colors of the wood, ensuring each piece is pleasant to the touch and visually striking. The choice of finish goes beyond aesthetics. It serves practical purposes as well, such as protection against moisture and wear. Opting for eco-friendly finishes, like natural oils or low VC stains, aligns with the eco-conscious values of today's consumers, further enhancing the allure of the product. These finishing touches not only safeguard the wood but also elevate the organic beauty of the material, transforming a raw piece of reclaimed timber into an elegant decor item that complements various interior styles. As the minimalist shelving units take shape, it's essential to consider the layout and styling once they are installed in a home environment. The beauty of minimalist design lies in its ability to harmonize functionality and aesthetics, encouraging a clutter-free atmosphere that allows the wood's inherent beauty to shine through. Designing the shelves to have varying heights and widths can create visual interest and versatility, allowing homeowners to display everything from books and plants to decorative accents in an organized yet artistic manner. This flexibility can be a selling point, positioning the shelving not just as a storage solution, but as an adaptable unit that enhances the overall decor of a space. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. Moreover, marketing these minimalist shelving units as profit-driven design pieces requires a keen understanding of the target demographic. Today's consumers value sustainability and unique artistry, making it crucial to communicate the story behind each reclaimed piece. Sharing the journey of sourcing and transforming the wood can create an emotional connection, enticing potential buyers who appreciate the value of supporting sustainable practices. Engaging storytelling can be woven into product descriptions, social media posts, and promotional materials, highlighting the craftsmanship and ethical considerations that differentiate these pieces from mass-produced alternatives. By creating a compelling narrative around the product, artisans foster a sense of loyalty among customers who care about the origins of the goods they purchase. Collaboration can also be a vital strategy in promoting these shelving units. Partnering with local businesses, interior designers, or eco-conscious brands can increase visibility and create opportunities for cross-promotion. Markets and fairs that focus on handmade and sustainable goods provide an excellent venue for showcasing these designs, allowing customers to interact with the product and understand its value firsthand. Providing customers with the opportunity to see and feel the quality of the shelving can reinforce their willingness to invest in such pieces. In terms of pricing strategies, understanding the value proposition is essential. While reclaimed wood may initially appear to offer lower-cost solutions, the craftsmanship, time, and resources invested must be reflected in the final price. Consumers who are knowledgeable about sustainable practices often expect to pay a premium for well-crafted, eco-conscious products. This approach not only supports artisans in establishing a profitable business, but also reinforces the idea that quality and sustainability can coexist harmoniously, paving the way for a consumer culture that prioritizes thoughtful choices over mere consumption. Another aspect to consider is the potential for customization. Offering personalized options such as tailored sizes, specific wood treatments, or even bespoke designs can further attract a market segment that values individuality in their home decor. Customization creates an opportunity for artisans to connect more deeply with customers, allowing for collaboration that results in unique pieces perfectly suited to the buyer's space and aesthetic preferences. This potential for personalization can lead to repeat business and referrals as satisfied customers share their experiences with others who are interested in supporting sustainable practices. Ultimately, the experience of crafting minimalist shelving from reclaimed wood epitomizes profit-driven design in a meaningful way. This project showcases how to transform discarded timber into stylish, sustainable home decor pieces that speak to the heart of contemporary design. By emphasizing aesthetic appeal, structural integrity, and environmental consciousness, artisans can forge a path that not only meets market demands, but also promotes responsible consumption and creativity. As we see the rise of conscientious consumers who appreciate the stories behind the objects they invite into their homes, there is tremendous potential for businesses rooted in sustainability to thrive. By mastering the art of transforming reclaimed wood into sophisticated shelving, designers not only enhance their livelihoods, but contribute to a more sustainable future, one elegantly crafted piece at a time. Through this process, we celebrate the profound impact of creativity and artistry, reinforcing the idea that profitable design can and should align with the well-being of our planet. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked minimalist shelving from reclaimed wood for smart design ideas that turn scrap into profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, Please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.